MC Pandey, PGT Biology from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have discussed about the previous lectures related with the reproductive health which related with the social, behavioral, emotional and the sexually good according the WHO. Today the topic is population explosion and its factors. First of all, what is population? This is the question. Few scientists explain about the population. The numbers of different species in a locality is called population. But real definition of population is total number of species. Total number of species of a type of animal or plant. A type of animal or plant. Total species in an area is called population. Here, total number of species of animal or plant in an area is called species. It is both for animal as well as for plant. But in a particular area or in an area, total number of species called population. First of all, population explained by the one scientist which is considered as famous demographer in the world and known as by name R.H. Malthus. R.H. Malthus, who wrote a book on the population, a book in which he explained that population increase occur according the geometrical ratio. For example, 1, 2, 4, 8, so on. So increase of the population as doubling take place after few period, like population from 1 to 2, then from 2 it added by 2 equal 4, then 4 added by 4 equal 8. So in this way doubling occur in the case of the geometrical ratio. Which type of ratio? Geometrical ratio. And geometrical ratio means rapid increase in the population as doubling rate. But he also told that increase in the food availability, increase in the food availability according arithmetic ratio, and this arithmetic ratio, as it may be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the requirement for survival is generally called as food, and this food availability is according the arithmetic ratio, as the food per year production occur. As first year it is 1 unit, second year 1 plus 1 equal 2, third year 2 plus 1 equal 3, fourth year 3 plus 1 equal 4, like this. The person who study about the population of the different area time to time consider as the demographer, consider as the demographer, and the study of population is called demography. So question arises, what is demography? Study of population time to time, study of population time to time in a particular area is called demography. Particular area is called demography, and the person related with demography called as demographer. The person related with demography called demographer. So two terms apply here. One is demography, another is demographer. Demography is the study of population in a given area, but the demographer who study about the population, who study about the demography, is called demographer. Now here the term which is population explosion, as the term is population explosion. What is population explosion? This is the question. So population explosion means increase in the population as randomly in the large scale is called population explosion, as the rapid increase in population, rapid increase in population called population explosion. Rapid increase in population called as population explosion, which is main topic today. Today's main topic is population explosion. I have defined already about the term population first. As total number of species of a type of animal or plant in an area is called population. But scientist R.H. Malthus, who wrote a book, and book name is On the Population. Book name is On the Population, in which he explained that population increase. Here, population increase occur in the geometric ratio. Population increase occur according the geometrical ratio like 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here, once again, I can tell the such type of matter. 1, then 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then 2, 2 plus 2 equal 4. Then 4, 4 plus 4 equal 8. In this way, doubling occur in the case of geometrical ratio and the increase in the food availability according arithmetic ratio like 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3 plus 1 equal 4. And next one, demography. Demography means study of population time to time in a particular area. In a particular area is called demography, and the person related demography called demographer. Famous demographer is R.H. Malthus. As next topic is population explosion, means rapid increase in population called population explosion. As for example is considered, good example for the India, as India has total of 2.4% area. Total of 2.4% area, but total of 16.87% population in the world. For 2.4% area and total of 16.87% population in the world. So, this is result of population explosion. So, it is due to population explosion. It is due to population explosion in India. As the population increase in India, as here it has shown by a data as the year and population increase in India, as in year 1901, total population of India is 23 crores 80 lakhs. In 1901 census. Census means the counting of the population of a country every 10 years. So, in 1901, it is more than 23 crores. means 23 crores 80 lakhs only. But after 50 years, in 1951, it increased only the about 13 crore, means it is 36 crore 10 lakhs. So population increase within 50 years, it is total value is, as difference is found, that is 50 years. So 50 years difference, increase of only about the 13 crores population. But in 1971, it became 54 crore 80 lakhs, means within 20 years, increase of the population about 22 crores. And in 1981, it is found 68 crore 40 lakhs, which generally increased as total of 14 crores within 10 years. So the population increase which is found within 1981 to 1991, as much increase occur, it is total of about the 24 crores increase occur. And here within the 10 years, from 1981 to 1991, within 10 years, gap population increase occur about 24 crores. Because in 1981, population of India is 68 crores 40 lakhs. But in 1991, it became 84 crores 40 lakhs. And in 2001, total population of India is 102 crores 70 lakhs. It is found in 2011, 125 crores 3 lakhs. And in August 2017, it is about 134 crores population. Here, if the population, as notice, increase in the world, as has shown here, population increase in the crores of world, as in 1600, total population of world is 25 crores, and after 200 years, as population increase 4 times, means here the total population increase means multiply 4 times, multiply 4, and here the time gap is 200 years. So within 200 years, 4 times increase in the population in the world take place. In 1930, population increase occurred 200 crores. It means within 130 years, population doubling occur. And if population doubling occur, this is called as geometrical ratio, as shown here 1, 2, 4, 8. Here also 100 crore become 200. So this is the doubling, means double twice, multiply twice within the 130 years only. Here within 130 years only, the population become double within 1800 to 1930. After this, in 1965, 350 crores, means increase occur within the 35-year gap 150 crore, and within 1965 to 1975 means only in the gap of 10 years, only in the gap of 10 years population increased 50 crores. Here between 1975 to 1990 population increase occur 100 years, 100 crores means from 400 crores it become 500 crores, and in 2000 population of the world become 700 crores, and according the data it is found in the 2017 as 750 crores, but the maximum population in China as in China August 2017 total population found 141 crores, 141 crores as in August 2017, and this China ranked first in the population in the world. Although in August 2017 total population of India become 134 crores, so India occupy second rank in the population in the world. So second rank in the world in population, as it has earlier told that China occupy first rank in the world in the population. It means generally the first rank occupied by the China and second rank occupied by India in August 2017 as shows population explosion. I was telling you about the population explosion. Now different factors responsible for population explosion. Factor responsible for population explosion. As many factors are responsible for population explosion, but here few factors are discussed, like decrease in MMR. MMR means maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate decreases, and it is due to the maternal mortality rate means in the past during the pregnancy period, during the childbirth, death of mother occur due to the vigorous pain or any other reason. But nowadays, due to the good medical facility, maternal mortality rate decreases. This is the one reason for population explosion. And second one, that is the decrease in IMR. Decrease in IMR. IMR full name is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate decreases. It means in the past time, generally the embryo which develop in the mother womb due to the malnutrition, suffering from the diseases, as it develop in the fetus form, it's suffering from the pernicious anemia, jaundice and other diseases. Sometimes if childbirth occur within 0 to 1 year period, which is called infant age, due to the different type of disease or malnutrition, infant die. This is called as the infant mortality. Infant mortality rate decreases due to the better medical facility. It means both occur due to better medical facility. Due to better medical facility, decrease in MMR and decrease in IMR occur. These are the two important reasons for population explosion. Third is low age marriage. As in the villages, generally marriage occur in the age of 13 years to 15 years only, and this is called as fertile age. Fertile age means female can produce the child, can produce baby. So this is called as fertile age, and the length of the age up to 32 years, from 13 to 15 years, is considered as maximum offspring production, maximum child producing age. Maximum child producing age between 15 years to 32 years. So if low age marriage, low age means early marriage, then maximum child produces. Maximum child produces here. This is the maximum number of offspring produces by the couple who marry in the early age, as 13 years to 15 years age only. Fourth important factor is, that is the illiteracy. Illiteracy is mainly important factor for increase in the population and support the population explosion. As illiteracy is found in India mostly in the rural area, remote area, where the people want to save the body, want to save the family, and generally want to become a first rank in the society, and shows the bravery and shows the sometimes strength. So want to increase the number of offspring continue. In this way, generally the illiteracy also a cause of population explosion. This illiteracy generally found much in rural and remote area of India, where the person want to earn money, where the birth is considered as God gift. Birth is considered as God gift. In this way, sometimes increase in the offspring as waiting for a son, because in the rural area it has noticed that in the Hindu religion one son provide the water during the death, son provide the fire after the death. So in this way numbers of offspring increases as waiting for a son in the rural area. Also a factor of population explosion. And fifth factor is the low standard living. Low standard living criteria also a cause of population explosion, because as many persons live in many persons lives in a small room where they reproduces here outside from the family, in the search of job, increase the number of offspring. So these are the cause of the as population explosions. Today I discussed about the few important points in the brief about the population explosions and their factors responsible. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Super Classes. Thanks.